Alright, it's been a long time. We've been hiking all night. It's, I'd say probably about 11 o'clock right now. And what Sean doesn't know is that right in this clearing right here is the bus.
Yeah.
So we're going to walk right ahead, and it is. Really, I can see it. I can see the bus. So we're going to show you the walk into the bus. And this is a long hike. 2 rivers, 2 hours at the tech, but after all is said and done, it was a 12-hour hike. We are not sleeping here tonight, so we've got another 12-hour hike to get out, and not looking forward to that. And here we are. This is the bus. There's a creek down there. And it's a little more derelict than I thought it was going to be. The chairs are out here. Let me see. Fire pit, some drums. Got some bones. That is a real freaky looking bone. You hear that bell in the background? That's the bear bell. I've been hearing that thing for the entire trip.
Shit, man, you ain't kidding.
Yeah, so here we are. Guess we're gonna go inside. There's a lot of trash and stuff. A lot of ATVs have been coming out here. Okay.
Firewood.
Wow, not a lot of things are in here. Jeans and a pair of boots. There's a bed. And yeah, and that's the bed where Chris died. There's a stove in here. Some miscellaneous gear, stoves, water bottle, Tabasco for some reason, binoculars. Yeah. And that's the journal. We'll be signing that in a little while. It's been a hell of a trip, but we're here. Lots of writing on the walls. Firewood, at least. Lots of firewood. Huh. I'm sorry, I didn't realize you really can't see much when I'm pointing at the ceiling. Let's see what we got under here. Looks like some propane. More firewood. And stove. Maps and letters and stuff. We'll take a look at that in a little while. Huh. That's nice. Alright. Well, that's it for now. I'm sure we'll give you a little bit more before we take off.